I like this question from Bart that we may want to do. And again, folks, lots of questions coming in. Sorry we won't be able to get to all of them. Would love to see Mark create a personal profile /website page from a blank template with an opt-in. So, Mark, in 3 minutes.
All right, it's putting me on the spot here. So I'm gonna click Add New Funnel. I'm just gonna do an opt-in funnel here.
This guy's speedy. Watch this.
Personal profile. Let's see. Trying to just think in my head. I gotta map this out first. I can't design just from a whim. I gotta have some kind of plan.
Well, I like this.
So let's see. So profile page. I'm gonna have kind of a big section on the top. It'll have a kind of like a background image with the person, you know, and then maybe a logo up here and some navigation. And then there'll be a big button right here, you know, contact or something like that, right? And then I'll have another section down here, and this will be about, and then I'll have another section. So this about section will have a picture and some text. And then below about, let's just have like maybe portfolio, and then portfolio can have like, say, 3, maybe something like this, right? So it showcases all the projects you've worked on. And then I seem to be drawing at an angle here, but
it's that drinking early in the morning, Mark.
Yeah. And then below that, let's have some testimonials. And so the testimonial will have a picture and some text.
So it's a good idea to sort of pencil this out in some program just so you know what you're doing when you get on the system, right?
Oh, absolutely. So we'll have some testimonials. Actually, you know what? Up above here, this is going to be a little insert. I'm going to have a video, kind of a big testimonial there. And then these will be like text testimonials.
Okay, stop. Let's go. Let's see how.
All right. I got one more, and we'll have a contact section, and yeah, there we go. That'll be good. Well, actually, you know what? This is an opt-in, so I don't want a contact section. So
okay.
All right. So I'm going to pull this over to my other monitor so I can look at it.
Yep. This is like those programs where somebody does a painting on stage while you're watching.
Right. All right, so let's close out some of these pages here. All right, so let's choose the blank template. All right, and I'm going to open this up to edit the page. And I'm going to delete everything. So now I'm going to add a new section. This is going to be my header section, so I'm going to make that full page. Make the padding 10 on each side. And let's just let's pick our brand color here. We're going to do blue. And I'm going to add a row. This is going to be I'm going to do a left sidebar column, actually. So I want a logo over here. So I'm going to get my logo from the stock images. Get a navigator logo, make that a little bit smaller. I'm going to add a navigation element here. And so so I can have this be about, and then I can actually set this to scroll to different sections after I've set up those sections. I have testimonials, portfolio, and then I'm going to make the text white. And the other thing I'm going to do, actually I need to reduce the padding on this row. And I'm going to remove the top margin on this one. There we go. And then I'm going to add a border at the bottom here. And it's actually going to be a little bit darker. Let's do a bottom border. And let's add a new section. So this is going to be full width. And I don't have an image for this really, but let's
throw one in.
Let's see. See if we can find conference. Let me see if let's search for business.
Much broader.
Meeting. There we go. There's a couple of. Here's a good one. So I'll use that one. This takes a second to load the image.
Is that related to my internet speed?
It can be. It also depends on the file size. I'm going to set this to full center fit. This section, I'm going to add some additional padding. Let's just start with 200. And so let's just pretend this is a picture of me right here, or whoever. I'm going to add a 2-column block.
And by the way, folks, Mark is showing you how you can create, if you learn how to do this, which it will take some time, but it's worth it, you can create your own websites using ClickFunnels that look pretty darn nice.
Let's add a headline here, actually. And then I'm actually going to make this a little bit smaller, maybe like that. And then let's actually go into this row settings. Add some padding on the side there, so it brings it in. And then I want to go into the column here to add a background to this column. So I'm going to make this, let's see what white looks like there. Might do a light gray. And I need to add some padding on the column. And then let's add some rounded corners. And I'm going to do a shadow. I like shadows.
And
sign up for my offer. And then we'll make this, we'll just do a full name, enter your name here. And then we'll do, this one will be email address. So we have to have the email address or else it won't work.
Yep.
And then, let's actually get rid of this one. And then let's change this button so it says send me my offer. And these are obviously horrible headlines.
Doesn't matter. Proving the point.
All right, so now we have the offer on here. We got a cool picture. I think I'm going to reduce this padding a little bit here. And one thing I can do is actually I'm going to make this header sticky so it sticks to the top. And there's the offer. So you could even have some text over here if you wanted to. And then let's go down here, add a new section. I'm going to make this one full page as well. This is a 1-column block. I'm going to add a headline. This is going to be about. And then, okay, so that's going to be a 2-column row below that. This will be a picture. This is going to be a picture of the person here. So let's get, here's my self-portrait. And then we'll add some text. And I actually used to have a lorem ipsum generator on my computer, and I had to wipe my computer. So this is just going to be just like that. There's our about text. So there we have our about section. Then I add a new section below. And this one I'm going to change. I'm going to make the same blue background color just to break things up a little bit. And then this is our portfolio section. So let's add 1-column headline. Let's make that bold. Call it portfolio. I'm going to make that text white. And then I need to add some 3-column blocks below that. And then I'm going to, actually, you know what I can do? Before I do that, I'm going to add an image modal. Let's see.
What is that?
So an image modal allows you to add a thumbnail image and then an image for when it pops up. So Let's just do that, and then I can have it be the same